5 steps to become a professional digital marketer. Digital marketing is like any other type of marketing. It's a way to connect with people online. Digital marketing refers to any online marketing efforts such as email marketing, social media marketing, and even blogging are all great examples of digital marketing. The function of digital marketing is to help introduce people to your company and convince them to engagement online. Many industries worldwide have switched from traditional marketing to digital marketing. This is to tell you that digital marketing is an essential strategy to grow business. No one can argue that the world at most stage is not a digital world. Using digital marketing strategy to grow your business or choosing a career in digital marketing would not be a bad idea at all. Apart from its essentiality in business, digital marketing helps you to understand the importance of connectivity. It also helps you to understand how to monetize your time online. It is not enough to understand the basic meaning of digital marketing. Therefore, in this video I would take you through the career involvement types of digital marketing and how to become a professional digital marketer. How to become a professional digital marketer. 1. Learn from top digital marketer. Digital marketers today understand that the field is growing at such a rate that sharing industry secrets isn't creating competition or taking business away. Many digital marketers will not only tell you what they did, but they will share with you case studies showing you how they did it. Some of the top professional digital marketer you can learn from their experience and work are as follows. Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a leader in SEO education as he consistently posts amazing content day after day. Labeled as one of the top 10 online marketers by Forbes, he continues to push the limit on online business strategies with SEO. Let's start with the businesses he has built. Not only is he the co-founder of Crazy Egg, Hello Bar, and Kissmetrics, but he has helped businesses like Amazon, GM, HP and NBC with business growth. If that hasn't had you immediately following him, check this. He was recognized as one of the top 100 entrepreneurs under the age of 30 by President Obama and one of the top 100 entrepreneurs under the age of 35 by the United Nations. Ryan Deiss. If you haven't heard of Ryan Deiss by now, then you are missing out. He creates his own digital marketing methodology because he has a strong team and the results to back it up. He is the creator of the customer value optimization tactic, which has been proven time after time to bring in strong results for any business trying to succeed online. Being the CEO and founder of Digital Marketer, he continues to lead the most efficient and effective marketing techniques in the present time. Anne Handley. If you are cited by Forbes as being the most influential woman in social media, then you must know what you are talking about. She is a partner at Marketing Profs, which holds valuable and reputable training programs, online events, and free resources for marketing professionals. From there, she was named the world's first Chief Content Officer, paving the way for what we now know as content marketing. Rand Fishkin. If you know anything about digital marketing, then I imagine you have seen this iconic mustache floating around the internet. But it's more than just looks. Rand Fishkin is the co-founder and former CEO of Moz, one of the leading search engine optimization tools on the marketing. Starting the business in 2003, he began with a blog which turned into a consulting company, which then formed into a software business that was used by a vast majority of SEO professionals. He has since then left Moz in 2018 and founded Spark Toro, a software and data business focused on helping people understand and deliver to their target audiences. 2. Adopt the system of networking. The knowledge and information on digital marketing are globally available online, and sometimes conference offers by Google and networking companies such as Oriflame, GNLD, Longreach, AIM Global and so on can help you benefits many informational about digital marketing. At these conferences or networking events, you have the opportunity to listen to global industry experts, take advice from best-in-class digital marketing professionals and get a glimpse of the direction that the digital marketing industry is heading in. They are often full of interesting events, workshops, and lessons, all geared to help you enhance your skill set and expand your understanding of why you do what you do. Not only can these local or international conferences revamp your professional skills, but they give you the opportunity to build better professional interpersonal relationships. 3. Find a digital marketing internship. If you are just starting out, an internship can help you gain experience and expand your portfolio. Being around other industry professionals will give you exposure to the different aspects of digital marketing and help you determine which your preference is. Like with any internship position, many individuals take them for the opportunity to be exposed to a professional environment that pushes their capabilities forward. An internship is often challenging, but when you're surrounded by the right team of professional marketers, you can learn from both the mistakes and successes they've experienced over the years. Not only an internship can help you expand your digital marketing portfolio and experience, but it can help you determine what you appreciate in a work environment. As there are so many facets of digital marketing, you may find that you appreciate solitude when trying to write creative content, or instead that you thrive completing a collaborative content strategy to push a new product or service. Although you can take the time to learn and experience facets of digital marketing for yourself, an internship will put you face to face with the real-world roadblocks that marketers must overcome and the processes that help them become the renowned marketing team that they are. 4. Become online worm. In the same way that programs, apps, and social media platforms are ever evolving, so is the way in which digital marketers must interact with audiences. From keeping up with popular online acronyms to knowing how artificial intelligence is impacting the way people use technology, the world of digital marketing is ever changing, and it takes adaptable digital marketers to keep up. To become a best-in-class digital marketer, make sure that you are online worm. What online worm means here is staying up to date with industry issues, valuable content, and various updates around the world. 5. Take a digital marketing training. There is no doubt that education can be a valuable asset to any career in digital marketing. Learning shouldn't stop when school is done. Putting in for training throughout your digital marketing career can help you become a professional digital marketer with a varied, in-demand skill set. A career in digital marketing allows you to follow your curiosities by taking advantage of available training sessions. There are plenty of digital skills training courses available both online and offline, so don't be afraid to invest in your career. Types and career in digital marketing. Blogging. A blog or website containing a writer's or group of writers' own experiences, observations, opinions, etc., and often having images and links to other websites. Blogging first started as a way to have an online personal weblog, in which a person would journal about their day. From weblog came the term blog. Like most new innovations on the internet, many entrepreneurs saw marketing potential in having a blog, and blogging took off from there. Not only can a blog be used for marketing, but also, a blog can be a home business in and of itself. Social media marketing, SMM. Simply put, social media marketing refers to the process of using social media platforms to attract traffic and attention. By using social media, you can increase exposure and build meaningful relationships with your customers. Social media marketing is all about listening to what your customers have to say, engaging in the conversation, and sharing valuable content. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of getting quality traffic from free, or organic, search results on the search engines, like Google and Bing. Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing refers to a form of digital marketing that aims at increasing the visibility of a website in search engines by using paid methods. In other words, it's the ads you put out there on Google AdWords and Bing ads. Content creation. Content marketing is a type of digital marketing that focuses on creating and distributing content for a target audience. The content aims at being valuable, relevant, and, ideally, consistent. Its ultimate goal is to drive a profitable customer action. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the popular ways people make money online these days. If your affiliate program is successful, you might earn quite a decent passive income. Basically, affiliate marketing is a type of digital marketing where a person partners up with other businesses in order to receive a commission for the traffic he generates for this business. Imagine this: you put a link to an external website on your own blog or website. Every time a user proceeds to this external website and makes a purchase, you receive a commission. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most popular types of digital marketing. To put it shortly, it's the use of email for promoting one's products or services. If you go a little deeper, email marketing might also refer to building relationships with your customers. Ideally, emails you send out to your clients should not only speak at them but also encourage meaningful interaction with your brand. Conclusion. The skills you need can seem like a long list, but getting better at digital marketing is a journey, not a sprint. Prioritize what is most relevant to you first and start building your experience in each area, using some of the recommended resources above. Link in the description of the video. Set goals and begin working through them. The only way to become a better digital marketer is to start working on it today. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.